Hey guys, it's straight to you wellness. In this video, we're talking leaky gut. We're talking digestive dysfunction, constipation, diarrhea, gas, bloating. You eat something, oh my gosh, what the heck was it? Was it the dairy? Was it the eggs? Was it the gluten? There's food confusion. In this video, I'm going to help you break through that confusion and provide clarity for you. Before we get into it, who am I and why should you listen? We have helped hundreds of patients to get healthy from a functional standpoint, not guesswork, not one size fits all, cookie cutter approaches, not more chemical medications. Really digging, right? Let's dig, find, and work towards fixing the underlying root cause, solving the puzzle. So, very good at what we do, have helped thousands of patients over the years, and we have the blueprint, we have the framework, and people's guts are a mess. However, with leaky guts, I'm going to explain what it is in just a second. You have to understand that it goes beyond just gut. So, yes, constipation, diarrhea, gas, bloating. However, it can manifest as brain fog, it can manifest as anxiety or depression or skin problems or chronic aches and pains and inflammation, okay? Here's why. There's something called the gut brain axis. Gut brain axis. If the gut is a mess, guess what else might be a mess as well? So, people that have brain fog, you're mentally cloudy, you're forgetful. Where are my keys? Where's my phone? You're not as mentally sharp as you once were. We have to address gut. So, keep that in mind. Now, what is leaky gut? In your digestive tract, you want tight junctions. They should be rock solid, tight. No, leaky gut, slang term. The scientific term is intestinal hyperpermeability. You don't need to know that. Doesn't matter. However, what happens is that these tight junctions get loose. They get permeable, they get leaky. Then bad things happen because you get bacteria, foreign particles, proteins, bugs, viruses, junk into your bloodstream that don't belong there. Then bad things happen. You get this massive inflammatory response. So you feel like trash, you're inflamed, but you get this massive immune reaction, and your immune system is working overtime to put on all these fires. You've got all these foreign invaders floating around your bloodstream, and your immune system's like, ding, ding, ding. What is this stuff? Friends, we have over 50 million Americans that have an autoimmune condition, over 50 million. That is 1 in 6 people autoimmune. Lupus, MS, rheumatoid arthritis, celiac disease, Crohn's, Hashimoto's. I could go on and on. There's over 140 varieties or labels of an autoimmune condition. It's an epidemic that very few doctors are talking about, and I wish they would, but it's because, and I believe it starts in your gut. Most of your immune system is in your gut, and most disease and dysfunction starts in your gut. So if we have these symptoms, not only gut issues, but we have brain fog, we're mentally cloudy, we have anxiety, we have depression. Maybe you have an ADHD child. We have to look at the gut and we have to tighten up these junctions so that we don't have this massive inflammatory response. We don't have this massive immune reaction. So, if you're checking the boxes I just talked about, hopefully you're not. But if you're checking the boxes and you want some help, what I want to do is offer you a one on one discovery call. This is not a pushy sales call. This is not a high pressure timeshare, pushy. No, nothing like that. It's simply chance to ask each other questions. We're going to ask you questions. You can ask us questions. And then together we can determine if what we have would make sense for you. I use an analogy. If I have a roadmap or if I don't have a map, if I'm trying to go from California to New York and I don't have a map, how successful would I be? I'd be lost, right? I'd be frustrated. I'd be confused. But if I had a straight line path, do this, do this, do this, do straight line blueprint, a framework, a roadmap, that's what we have with leaky gut and a lot of these other manifestations of it, skin problems, anxiety, depression, brain fog, gut issues. So if you're struggling and you want some help, click the link somewhere around this video. There's going to be a button, there's going to be a link. Click on it, fill out your information, and then go grab a time slot. Simply a chance to ask each other questions to determine if what we'd have would make sense for you. Keep in mind, I have a big team of medical professionals that I work with, so either myself or one of my medical staff will be giving you a call at the time that you choose. So you pick the time, we'll call you then. Thanks for watching.